Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am a real estate investor, Airbnb superhost, and my girlfriend is a licensed realtor and property manager. Together we have invested into a 5plex with our investors and partners, which we turn into monthly furniture rental. Our first property is done. You guys might remember how it looks like before. Let me show you guys it really quick over here. Maybe you can see that the condition of this property wasn't so good. You see that we took out the complete kitchen, we took out the flooring, we installed 2 accent walls, and the complete shower was taken out and completely rebuilt. So we did remodel from bottom to top. For this design, we choose natural colors and natural materials, which are reflected in our accent walls. As you can see, we have concrete and stone looking tiles with wood flooring. Our accent wall has wood and metal components, and also in our furniture you can see that we choose wood in natural colors. We have a small little decorations which also reflect the theme of a tropical boho Japandi style. I really hope that you guys like the first design or the first remodel we had for our first unit. It's ready and we will try to put it up on the market in the next couple of days. And yeah, let's see how fast and how long the first guest will stay. I hope you like the design, the remodel and the channel. If so, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel so we can share you our journey, how we build our Airbnb properties. Okay, thank you so much. See you guys hopefully in the next video.